Hi, E4 and Applet. I just wanted to bring you a very quick update for Wednesday. Um, I wanted to remind you guys again to be sure that you're going into Skyward and checking your grades. E4, remember that you have 3 separate assignments that you'll turn into the Google Classroom by tomorrow. Uh, Applet, you have just the one document with the 2 questions in there that should be due tomorrow. Remember that everything is due tomorrow since Friday is a holiday. Also, if you guys haven't looked already, Dr. Micah sent out an email with a video concerning graduation, talking about how we're still scheduled as of now, and we're hoping that that stays as is, but it was just a really nice positive message, so I thought you guys might want to check that out. So that's all I have for today. E4, I am planning to do another Zoom with you all tomorrow at 11:30. And Applet, we will do one at 1 o'clock, but I may have to cut you guys off about 15 minutes earlier than I normally do because we do have a faculty meeting Zoom also at 2 tomorrow. All right. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, just shoot me an email or shoot me a text through Remind. Okay. I hope you're all doing well. Have a wonderful Wednesday.